Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a great day, great night, wherever you guys are. Today is a special day for me grabbing, guess what? Our new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Uh, I know you guys are probably not expecting this, but as a photographer, I always try to have gadgets that allows me whenever I'm not able to walk with my camera to have something that replaces it in some sense. Because I do oftentimes go out, I capture video, I do videos, I do sunsets with my phone oftentimes, and from what I've been hearing about this phone, is that the features that it has is really, 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 really good. I got the deep purple, and this is the like I said, the Pro Max. I think it was 512 that the storage that I had on this one. So the new features, because I'm coming from, before I even go into the features, I'm coming from the 12X Max. So I think this is really a good upgrade for me from the 12 to the 14, because I always try to upgrade my phones every 2 to 3 years. But I like what it has. So it uses the new A16 Bionic chip. It comes with the dynamic island. I'm definitely excited to check that out. The always on display. I think that's a really good feature to have. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it on because I'll have to see how well it serves with my battery. It has an XDR display with 1600 nits, but when you outdoor, it goes up to 2000 nits. If ever you should lose like a signal off your phone, you have no service, you have an emergency SOS via satellite, and it actually comes with a feature where it identify where the satellite is. But they say that you have to have like a clear sky, a clear view of the sky or something like that, and you point it and it shows you where the satellite is, and you get that green signal to say, hey, you're good to go. It has a car crash detection, which I think is a good feature to have. I'm not sure I necessarily want to test that out to see if it works or not. And the most important part for me, like I said, I mentioned in the beginning, that it has a 48 megapixel camera. I'm definitely going to be testing that out. I want to see what that really likes, what that is really like, and share it with you guys. So before I ramble on any further, I'm going to do the unboxing of this beauty right here. All right, guys, here we go. Unboxing. Let's get straight into it. Throw it to the side. Pull this off right here. Very nice. And there you have it right there, guys. Beautiful. So like I said, I got the deep purple here. But what I'm going to do before I open this up, I want to show you guys some of the accessories that I got for it. So just to protect the phone, I got this right here, which is a case. All right. Let me open that up. Right there. Once you pull the case out, I bought two of them actually. I bought one which matches the color of the case. These are just some privacy questions, common questions, and let me open up. So this is the case that I got. As you can see here, guys, it totally matches the color of the phone. It's a little bit hard to focus, guys, because the edges are so thin, but I'll show it on the phone itself. But as you guys can see, really good. And you have this right here for the Qi charging, which I think is pretty good. So I'll put that to the side for now. Okay, I'll put that to the side for now. And then I bought a charger for the phone. Let me just open it up. And note, guys, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies at all. So this was done with my own money. All right, guys. So right here, as I open up the box, right there, put the box to the side. You get a little manual. I'll put it to the side. I'll turn it over. So I'm just going to open it up. This is a color of the phone as much as possible. I think this is a 20-watt charger, right? I wanted to get the cable for this video, but however, the cable is running late. I'm supposed to get it sometime today. So here we are. It comes with two, so I can put two cables in here and charge two separate devices, which I think is pretty good. All right, guys, so before I ramble on anymore, let's go back to the unboxing. So I'm going to take the phone out. I'll put the phone to the side right here. And when they open the box, it comes, like I said, you get the cable right there. So the lightning connection, USB-C, and you get your typical manual. When you open it up, you get the sticker and some other instructions. So let's put that to the side over here. Now, here we are. So this is the phone right here. Beautiful craftsmanship as usual by Apple. Love it. I love the purple. But at certain angles, it definitely looks like the gray. It's similar to the one that I have right here. It's similar to this one. Let me take it out of the case and show you guys. So it's very similar when you hold it at certain angles. It definitely looks very similar at a glance. But if you look at the phones, like the phones are pretty similar right there. But the one thing I noticed so far is the bump in the camera. The camera is definitely bigger, way bigger than this one. So let's go and just do that satisfying peel. Right there, guys. I think that's really nice. That is a beauty. Beautiful. Love the color. All right, so I'm gonna put the phone into the case so you guys can see. Like that. And it fits nicely. It's a perfect fit. And I like the fact that with this case, the camera lens itself is protected by this edge right here. Definitely something that I need. And also there is a slight bump over the screen that protects the screen. So if the phone should ever fall face flat, it should have some protection right there, which I think is very good, guys. Very, 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 very good. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video. I will definitely do some tests with the camera just so you can see what the quality of it looks like. But so far, guys, I'm really loving how it looks so far. And I'm definitely looking forward to turn it. Let me just turn it on and see if it has any juice in there. Why not? Let's see. There we go. And there you have it. Hello. And it's saying hello in all the different languages. And as you can see right there, guys, the dynamic island. The difference, you can look, the notch right there. So the notch right there, big, ugly. The dynamic island doesn't look too bad. You know, it's a more pleasing look, I must admit. So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as usual, you know, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Hope you guys enjoy this, guys. You guys all stay safe. Peace.